Alright, we're working on the Coleman camper. This is the table that goes down in between the two chairs and turns into a bed. I am going to replace this top, but we're taking it out for camping this weekend for its maiden trial. I got this raw edge on there. It just looks like garbage. And if you've ever tried to paint particle board raw edges, you know what I'm talking about. So I am going to paint it using Flex Seal. Yay! I don't care about this table at all because I'm going to make another one. So I'm going to try Flex Seal on the edge just to see what it looks like. I will bring you back. Alright, that took me about 5 to 10 minutes to put a coat of white Flex Seal on the particle board edging of this table. And I think it turned out pretty good. I'm not going to hide everything, but like I said, I'm going to redo this whole table anyhow, so it doesn't really matter. Should get me through the weekend. Not look too bad. I might flip it over and paint those legs. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Another Flex Seal tip.